Welcome back to NTech IT Solutions. This is your friend and a host Bharat. Today we have something really very exciting for you. It's a brand new Dell G15 Gaming Laptop. Okay, so finally here is the box. So let's unbox this device and let's see what are the internal configurations and all. So finally we have our brand new laptop over here. So let's open it and see what are the specs and all. This particular model comes with an i7 with the latest 12th generation processor in it with 14 cores and 20 threads, and you can boost the processor up to 4.70 GHz and which will deliver lightning fast performance for all your applications which you are going to run on this. Now take a look at this stunning orange backlit keyboard. It not only looks great but also offers a comfortable typing experience. It comes with a dedicated G keys mostly used for gaming. Dell G15 comes with a 15.6 Full HD display with a refresh rate of 165 Hz where every frames will be butterly smooth. Now let's talk about the design. The Dell G15 comes in a stylish dark shadow grey color, giving a premium and a smooth look. It is just not a power up. In terms of connectivity, this laptop has got everything covered. With a super speed of USB 3.2 Gen port and a Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C port and HDMI 2.1 port, you can connect all your peripherals without any hesitation. Let's talk about the portability. The Dell G15 is a lightweight gaming laptop which is around 2.5 kgs. In the time of work from home, you need a great webcam. For all your video conferencing, Dell G15 comes with an HD RGB camera and digital area microphone, ensuring crystal clear visual and audio. Now let's talk about the audio experience. The Dell G15 features and stereo speakers with a Realtek ALC3254, delivering immersive sound quality for enhancing gaming and entertainment experience. In terms of wireless connectivity, this laptop is equipped with Intel Wi-Fi 6 and a Bluetooth technology. You will enjoy fast and stable internet connectivity performance for your online gaming and streaming. For this beast kind of a performance, you need a huge battery. And Dell G15 comes with a powerful 6-cell 86-watt integrated battery, ensuring long-lasting performance and extended gaming sessions. And you need not to worry about running out of your power. And to keep this beast power up, Dell provides 240-watt AC adapter. It charges the laptop quickly so you can get back for gaming. Overall, I must say Dell G15 laptop is an absolute beast when it comes to a gaming performance and a stunning design and connectivity options. If you are a serious gamer or a video editor, you must be looking for a powerful machine, and this could be the answer for it. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech reviews.